coming to you soon. That which you pray and seek after is about to happen in your life in a great way you never imagined. The result you are getting now may not be satisfying. The way things are going with you may not give you that joy and happiness you desire. But you have not stopped working hard. You have not given up on your dreams because of the kind of life that you want to give yourself and your family. You see, all of these are the challenges that you may be facing in your life. All these difficulties, hardships and trials of faith. But do you know that there is always a way out of this? You cannot be in such situations for too long because God is opening the door of unusual breakthrough for you. It is the Lord that blesses people. Breakthroughs come from the Lord. It is the Lord Almighty that gives that power to make wealth, and by the power of the Lord, doors that have been shut against you will be opened. There is good news for you. The Lord God of heaven is telling you right now that your days of pain, your days of lack and poverty, your days of failure are over and gone forever, because you have entered into a new season of unusual breakthrough. You should know that in those days of lack and pain, poverty and disappointment, God was always aware of your situation. He is always on His throne, seeing you going through those things and giving you the strength and the grace to hold on to your faith, to continue to fight on. God knew the days you did not have anything to live on. He was aware of those times that your businesses were suffering and your family was about to tear apart. Have you been wondering why your life has not been working out the way it ought to? Many things you have done to get the results you desire, but to no avail. The Lord has already worked on that issue. Just believe and wait for the manifestation. The challenges you face are not as a result of your lack of effort in getting things done, but because there are so many doors closed against you that need to be opened for you to access the blessings that God has prepared for you. You do not have to judge a person by the status of their life because of how you met their life and the way things are going with them. There are lots of people that you meet in a condition that is not enticing. They are in that condition not just because they have not been doing their best to get things done for their life, but because there are lots of things happening in their lives. But do you know the reason God allowed you to go through those days without saying a word to you? Do you know the reason why it seemed like God was silent and you felt He had abandoned and left you to your situation? It was because God was preparing something great for you. God is bringing to you unusual blessings, unknown and uncommon. It is because you are not just like others out there. You are on a special list to get a special gift from the Lord. You may think you will never get out of it. You may think life has ended and you are a failure already. But that was not what God was saying about you. That is not what God has made you to be. You are a winner. You have been created to face life from the point of victory because you are more than a conqueror. Those doors that were closed against you, that made your life miserable and difficult for you, are opening now. And it is taking you into an unusual breakthrough, unusual recognition, and unusual life-changing appointment, blessings and favor. Things are not going to be the same again because it is a new dawn for you. You have come into a new life of breakthrough, and the blessings that the Lord has prepared for you are coming to you already in a multiple fold. Breakthrough could come from any form. Whatever form it comes through, it is going to make an extraordinary mark on your life, and it will bring a significant turnaround in your life. David had a breakthrough in battle with Goliath and the victory over the Philistine warlord. And that became a breakthrough that made him the celebrity that he became in his time. That was what nobody could do. Nobody could achieve that feat. Only the person that God had prepared to give that major breakthrough. God is about to set you up for a breakthrough. He wants to announce you. God is doing the same for you now. Doors of unusual breakthrough are opening to you. If you believe in it, it will become your reality. That level nobody ever expected you to reach is where God is about to take you to, as the doors are opening for you. You will shout for joy for the things that God has done for you. The people of Israel had their own turn of the breakthrough from the land of slavery and pain in Egypt. They broke through the barriers of the Red Sea and they walked through a dry ground. After their terrible experience in the hands of the Egyptians, in the end God gave them the promised land that He had promised their fathers from the beginning. They possessed their possession. That is what God is also doing for you. That is the breakthrough that God is opening up for you. Take a step today towards having the blessings that God has given you. You do not have to stay idle or keep complaining about how things are hard for you and how disappointing things have become for you. That is not what you should do now. God is expecting you to open your eyes to see the doors that are opening to you, to bring you into the place of unusual blessings, breakthrough, and greatness. God is not done with you, and He will perfect all that concerns you. He will change your misery. He will turn your shame to fame, and from nobody to a great man. God is opening doors for you. It is your time already. Nothing will stop you. You will not have to struggle for anything in life. If you have been having financial difficulties, if your marital breakthroughs seem to be taking too long, God is saying that your door of great breakthrough is open for you to go in. Doors that will give you that access into wealth and power have been opened to you. He has opened a door before you that no one can shut. What you will have to do is to get yourself prepared to possess your possession. What God has done for you, no man can take away from you, because it is your time and you are entering into your doors of breakthrough. The works of your hands are blessed. The things you did in the past that bore no results, God has promised to give you your desired results. There's nothing anybody can do to stop the handwork of God in your life. God is saying the reason your prayers, your requests, and your heart's desires were not given to you was because it was not your appointed time. Nobody can stop it now because it is your set time for harvest. Accept the words of the Lord with faith. Let it come to pass in your life. Let it become your reality. God has finally opened the door for you. You will not be an exception in the blessings that God is distributing to His children. As He is changing lives and situations, bringing people to Himself, and lifting them from the ground to the top, you will not be exempted. Those that have left you because there was no progress in your life will begin to locate you and identify with you because of the things that God is doing in your life. Stand up on your feet and see how things are going to change for you. God has answered your prayers. Rejoice now and rejoice always, because you will not have to struggle again. Your doors of breakthrough, riches and wealth, peace, joy and happiness have all been opened. Your doors of goodness and mercy of the Lord are open to you, and God has shut all doors of evil and destruction. Rejoice, your life will be filled with unusual breakthroughs the Lord has set up for you this season.